Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making modern fall farmhouse DIYs using Dollar Tree products. I am so excited that fall is finally here and we get to do DIYs and decorate. Oh my goodness, this is my favorite time of year and I have so many ideas, so I cannot wait to share each and every one of them with you, and I hope you love them just as much as I do. So without further ado, let's get started. So for my first project, I'm using the color Territorial Beige by Apple Barrel along with a little bit of water in order to create a paint stain for our wood. And I know that Dollar Tree actually sells the wooden circles along with the wooden popsicle sticks, but I actually got mine from Walmart, and I got the wooden circle for about 97 cents. But what we want to do today is actually go ahead and paint it and create that wonderful, beautiful stain look in order to create our two DIYs with the wood. So I'm going to go ahead and paint all of my wooden sticks along with my wooden circle and then just let these dry. So next I'm actually going to be using the Dollar Tree wooden stems and a little bit of hot glue, and we are creating a beautiful candle holder for fall and winter decor. So all you're going to do is take a little bit of hot glue and go all the way around the wooden circle. And the only thing that I recommend, this is pretty much foolproof, but with these wooden stems, they are not cut exactly straight. You'll find some that are a little wonky, and so you will definitely want to put it on the board to see which way it's going to bend, and if it's straight or not before you hot glue it down, because once it's hot glued, it might not be as easy to get it off. So I highly recommend to see if it is a little crooked or if you have to angle it a certain way in order to make it work. But most of them are straight. I didn't have too much of a problem in order to create this DIY. And then you're going to go all the way around your circle. Super simple and easy to do, and it looks so beautiful for any wooden rustic or farmhouse decor. And last but not least, just to give it a little bit more detail, I actually decided to add a little bit of the Dollar Tree twine along with a pumpkin sticker, the little wooden ones that they sell. I tied a little bow and added just a little bit of hot glue to the front, just so then when the holiday changes, I can change it out because it's attached to the twine. And how cute is this? I absolutely love how this turned out. Super simple and easy to do and looks absolutely gorgeous for any decor. Now for our next DIY, I actually used a Dollar Tree wooden puzzle along with a printout that says "Welcome to our pumpkin patch" and a little bit of Mod Podge. I actually printed out the paper from Google Docs using Amatic SC and New Times Roman font, and all I'm doing is going to put a generous amount of the Mod Podge, and then I'm going to go ahead and seal my paper right on top. But I was a little distracted and my toddler was running around, so I do have some air bubbles in it, but I'm completely fine with it because, hey, it's in my house. I do not mind, but learn from my mistakes. Definitely take your time when doing this so you can get all of the air bubbles out. And of course, with our beautiful stained popsicle sticks, it makes a wonderful wooden frame. All you have to do is cut off the ends and hot glue those on. And I used just a little bit of the Dollar Tree twine and the rainbow beads. I went ahead and painted those white, and I'm using the Dollar Tree wooden pumpkins in order to finish off our decor. And all I'm going to do is hot glue on my little wooden sticks along with pressing down that twine and my pumpkins in order to make sure it is nice and secure. And I absolutely love how cute this turned out. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Now for our last DIY, I'm actually using a toilet paper roll along with a old sweater that I do not wear anymore. It's kind of itchy, so I would pick something that you love but don't wear too much. And it is the perfect texture of sweater for a pumpkin. So you may have seen this last year where people made toilet paper pumpkins. I know I did. And all I'm going to do is go ahead and roll that up, as you can see. And I cut off one of the arms, and I'm going to go ahead and tuck that in and roll that right over onto the toilet paper roll. Now, learn from my mistakes. I tried to tuck this whole thing in thinking it would fit. It doesn't fit. So if you have excess fabric, definitely cut that off. It would make it 100 times easier than the struggle that you see here in order to create a beautiful, beautiful pumpkin. And if you feel like your pumpkin isn't puffy, just go ahead and stick your fingers in order to move some of that stuffing around. And once you are done with that, of course, every pumpkin needs a stem. So I'm using the same wooden stems from our first project. I'm going to stick that right on top, but it looks a little bare and kind of like an apple. So I'm using the Dollar Tree wooden, or what am I saying, wooden ribbon burlap. And I'm going to cut that in half, and I'm going to go ahead and just tie it at the top in order to create a little bit more detail and decor to the top of our beautiful little pumpkin. Super simple and easy to do, and what I love is that it has a wire in it, so if you just wrap it around your finger, you can make some cute little curls at the top. And this is everything that we made today, and I am so happy and excited with how everything turned out. Let me know which one is your favorite down in the comments below. I thank you guys so very much for watching, and if you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that and make my day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.